Welcome to and welcome back. I'm Veronica and I'm so ready to show you guys what I'm up to now. Before this came out, I was dealing with this issue where you put it down and it would just fall flat, right? This is $5 at Target. I was literally thinking about how I can make something like this the other day. And I said it needs to turn, but I also said that it needs to be able to, hold on. I said it also needs to be able to house a bunch of these things, right? Because I'm going somewhere. My little thread thingamajigger, it broke. This is part of it here. So these things are $9 at Walmart. Okay.